Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can interact with items and decors in your house. So for instance, you want to brush your teeth, just add in like a toothbrush here and brush teeth and it's going to brush your teeth. It's not super accurate though, but it does do the job. You can also take a face mask and use it again. It's not going to be super accurate on my face, but it does again do the job. It looks a little bit funny once you see that. Then you're just going to wash your face here. It has a lot of interactions, which I love about this game. And then here you can also click it to make bed. You can also spray the perfume here, which I really love. You can actually see it, and like she puts it on her like wrist and smells it. It's very nice. Works with like makeup as well here. Use. I mean, that's kind of like where the eye is, but also this hair dryer. There is a lot of like items you can interact with, which I love. But yeah, that is it. You can also interact with this, take, use, and wash here. And it washes the clothes. I think it's pretty cute. And like you put it in the jar and like store it for later. It's cute. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And if you haven't done that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.